Oh, no more trucks for you, bro. I'm driving.
Dibs on the woman clothes.
Wait a sec. All
Really
right. What do you mean I've never really been a
This is the first and last time I'm testing this type of
Hey, Vincent, let's change clothes.
No, keep it. Please. This is not the first and last time. Can we keep it on, please?
Huh. Looks better than expected.
Just leave it on. Leave it. God damn it. What do you mean?
My grandma had one of these.
This must be one of the new fancy models.
Oh yeah, you can you can make the needle go up and down. How's that for gameplay? God, that's
I used to be
awful.
pretty good at this.
Can you change your clothes?
Steady.
No,
now.
it didn't work.
No, you have to go to the closet.
Damn.
Oh.
Like, see how I'm not wearing the same clothes
Why'd you
anymore?
fuck me up, bro? Like, I was trying really hard to stack that just now. Alright, where, here?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Here. Change those clothes. What you got? Oh, yeah, you got a pretty cool little outfit. Where's mine? Gotta close the door? We all know what he looks like. Oh, damn! Back in it. Nice shotgun, bro.
Thanks, I like it.
Hey, Vincent, get over here. I need some help.
Never thought a couch could feel this good.
Alright, I'm going. Well, give me one more thing. Extreme?
Damn it. For the love of... Oh, come on. Damn it. For the love of...
How are you doing that?
Nice.
It's like Guitar Hero.
Oh, come on. Damn it. For the love of... Oh, come on. Damn it. Right. For the love of...
Is that upstairs or down? Oh, there it is.
Oh, come on. Okay, yeah. Damn it.
Alright. Enough. That's interesting. There's like all different modes.
Damn it.
Is it the same song? It's like I'm your teacher. Let's shut off this radio.
Oh.
Hey, I can play along with you. Hold on. Are you playing Extreme?
Damn it. Damn it. For the love of...
Whoever I beat your score, that's all I needed. I'll establish my dominance.
You'll never get me on the banjo.
For the love of... Oh, come on. Damn it. For the love of...
It like gets easier when you suck.
Right. Oh, come on. Damn it. For the love of...
Alright, enough, please. Get off that piano, you master. It's wonderful. Are we going to the barn? Trying to get some kind of score, dude. I'm gonna blaze right out of here.
No, you won't. You get
buddy.
back here before
Want
you
some hay?
talk to me like that.
Horses, so it's okay.
Get in the truck. Stop petting the food.
What is up here? Where's the truck?
It's over here.
It's probably up here.
No, it's over here.
It must be
It's
though.
in this barn.
What barn is that?
Vincent, come over here and help me out.
Hey, but they got pigs. They got them pigs. What barn are you at? All the way on this side?
On the side, yeah.
Wow, nice land.
Yeah, you got a good chunk of land, for sure.
Holy shit, it's good. Oh, over here. What do you...
You like what you
leaning
see?
up against that
You like what you
door?
think?
It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna say it's not nice.
Oh my God, it's a piece of junk. It's not that bad. What do you mean it's not that bad? Hey, it's even missing a wheel.
Nah, I'm sure there's a spare around here somewhere.
Dude, no wonder this
I
game's
don't know,
super
man.
long still.
It's not like we have a choice. Sure be
We're doing a
struggling
lot
on
of
foot.
tasking
Let's fix it
tonight.
up and we'll be out of here in no time.
All right, fine.
We'll need a new tire. Let's look around and see what we can
You know what's
find.
funny is I was talking to Ribs about this game earlier today, and he was like, "Have you been escaping
bet we
prison
can
the whole
use this
time?"
to
And I was
lift
like,
the
"Yeah,
car.
we've
We
been
could
literally
use this
escaping
to
the prison
fasten
for
the
the
new
entire
tire.
game so far." And then I hop on now, and it's literally been nothing about escaping the prison.
Nope. That's it. I thought they might
Hey,
put us back
there's
in.
a tire on
honestly.
the other side of the barn.
I mean, they might, you know. Oh, shit. Oh, God, we're doing all this sorts of crazy shit now. Here we go. Not sure what that did, but...
What are you doing up there, man?
Something. Not possibly useful, but it's done. And done. Oh, you probably should have hung on to that. Get up here. Yeah, you're gonna need to hang on to that hook, or I'm gonna need to, maybe. Okay. Cool. I see an X on it. Go. Whee!
All right, man, it's been fun.
No way, please. There's a haystack under me. I'm really not nervous, bro.
Oh, good point. Good point. I'm sorry. I was just
Wait,
kidding,
I'm coming
anyways.
back. I'm coming back. It's like American
I was
Gladiators,
just kidding,
dude.
anyways. Can you look down for a second? Oh, the haystack's there the whole time. All right, I guess I'll help.
All right, let me get that tire. Just kick it on down, right? This one's nice. This will be the one. Now it's not useful. Can I just jump down? Oh, this is. Can you get the wrench right there?
All right, tire. Here I come to school you.
It won't let me jump down with the wrench.
Oh no.
Okay, I guess I'll.
No, you can go down the stairs, dude.
I wanted to jump down though.
All right, now it's attached. We just need to find a lug wrench to fasten it. We should attach the wheel before we remove this. The battery seems dead.
Fuck. Great. There's a generator right here. I mean, that's.
All right, let's lift this thing and remove the support.
Got it.
Great. The car has 4 wheels now. That's a good start.
Yeah, not bad. Oh, I gotta go on the side. Why are we moaning together like that? It's not necessary.
Did you let go?
I don't let go. Did you let go?
Whatever. Let's go get it.
Right, yeah.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, how convenient. It's perfectly where it needs to be. Open the damn trunk. I mean,
Seems
hood.
like it's out of gas.
You figure out the
Jumper
gas,
cables.
dude. Don't
Perfect.
touch my cables.
Let's pop the hood and try them.
Motherfucker.
It's connected. Try to start the car now.
The hell?
You're out of gas. I think the
Well,
gas tank. I think is that big thing over there. Gas. That thing. Oh,
Oh, something in here.
throw horses.
You want to get in on
God
this?
damn it.
Let's see what's in here.
Shit!
Oh my God!
Stupid cat.
What was
Yes,
that, cat?
How handy.
Yeah.
Perfect throw.
Oh, you
What a
gotta
throw.
Whoops.
Oh, miss. I want to see Leo do it better. I'm the champion.
All right, the tank is full.
How many did
What's
you
next?
get?
None.
All right, move aside. Let me show you how it's done.
Alright, fine, I'm coming.
I'm the champion.
I'm gonna watch.
I rock.
You only get first try.
I got first try.
No, I mean you only get a first round to beat it.
Jackpot. I'm the king.
Oh, we're tied up. You got one left?
Yep.
Motherfuckers!
There's no way you're beating that.
Oh, now you gonna try again?
No, I didn't mean to click that. I'm good. What is this?
We gotta jump it. You gotta get in the car.
It's connected. Try to start the car now.
Alright, I'm coming.
Oh shit!
Oh, nice. Actually
It
run
actually
really well
works. This
sounding.
piece of junk.
Yeah, I told you so.
You did, but still, I was in doubt.
Sometimes you just gotta have a little faith in things, Leo.
Faith, huh?
Yeah. Well, let's
Phil,
get out of here.
ever heard of her?
Yes? No, I don't know.
Uh-oh.
It was a while ago.
Dude, he's gonna kill
We
his
need
wife?
your help
What the
now,
hell?
officer. Okay, hurry up, please.
Nice booty.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Thank
oh,
you.
woman. She's packing.
Are the police on their way
Yeah.
Yes, they'll be here any minute.
yet? Okay, I'll go take care of them.
No, just stay here.
It's all
What,
right.
he's got another
Just
gun?
wait
Holy
here.
shit.
I'll be fine. Filthy
Crazy
scum!
bastard.
Oh shit!
Sure.
Take cover!
You're gonna pay for this!
Come on, let's go!
Oh,
Yeah,
the
you
truck's
drive.
gonna get all messed up, bro. Hurry up.
Yeah. Come on! Go, 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 go!
Oh, good. You're not driving.
Damn it!
And that was the last day he ever drove. Ding, 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 ding,
Got
ding.
cops coming! Step on it!
Oh boy. I'm not going back, man.
Get this piece of shit going faster! Just sit down, Leo! You're gonna fall off! Alright! Here we go!
Here we go.
Here they come! Hold on back there!
Oh,
Focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs!
this is good driving handling, actually. Oh my god! Where did he come from? Holy crap!
I'm terrible
Oh,
at
dude,
this.
they're doing pit maneuvers! Oh! Andy, how are you still in the truck? What do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, female officer. They sent her in first? We're freaking escaped convicts. Alright, sorry about that.
Here we go,
I
here we
don't
go.
know what happened.
That was me. I'm not killing him fast enough.
Hold on back there! Just focus on driving, man! I'll keep them off our backs!
Whoa!
Trying to hold him back. Right, I'm doing my best.
Oh, it's oncoming people that you gotta beat back. Okay.
Out of the way, out of the way. Oh shit! This is gonna be tight. That was a close.
Oh.
You like that, Andy? Who's the newest van after us? What the hell? Oh boy. This is another tight squeeze. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Andy, you in? Oh my god, what?
No.
That was super fluid. Holy crap. I thought that was all us. Gotta get those deers out of the way. Wow, they're really directing us, huh? Uh-oh.
Hold on back there.
We're driving back towards the prison now. All those miles we trekked through the forest and hills.
Where did all these cars come from?
Oh god. No, 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 no.
Sure. No, I can't.
How'd they do this? How'd they get us? We can get out of here still. Oh my god. How did we survive that? What?
Goddamn car! Get it going faster! Come on, bitches!
Jesus Christ, they're so brutal. My nose was itchy, I'm sorry.
They're fucking worse than the cops in GTA.
Yeah, they're pretty brutal. Holy crap, man.
Can't even fucking reload fast enough. They're already on top of you.
We're going off-road.
Hold on back there! This might get bumpy!
Oh boy.
I can't hit anything! Will you
Now it's gonna get bumpy.
I'm doing my best over here!
Alright, I think we're clear for the moment.
Oh, shit!
Oh boy. Oh, Mama Jamma. Look at those guys down there. Nice. Oh, friggin' logs.
You okay back there? What do you think? You drive like an idiot! I'm trying my best here, goddammit!
Oh my god. They're so brutal, dude. Look at this guy.
Out. We got him now! All units from south to the bridge!
Oh, we're going back to prison. We're going back to prison.
Stop! You're under arrest!
She is again.
Freeze! You okay? Stop! Yeah!
No. We got rapids. We're good.
Get those bastards! Come on! Go! They should run! We can't stay here! Somebody shoot them! More of them! Get to the boat over there!
Oh, good. A canoe. That'll be fast.
Come on, go! Push!
Oh, nice, dude. You're gonna jump a little early there. A little bit early there, Pharaoh. My lead.
How did we escape on a canoe? We
Look how slow it's going. Look how slow it's going, dude. All of
couldn't
it
escape
stops.
on a truck, but the canoe is perfectly
Where the hell
fine.
does this river take us?
I have no idea, but the further away, the better.
I'm sure there's
Yeah,
probably
I guess
cops
you're right.
kicking dirt on bridges, man. Oh, phooey, we can't get out and run.
All
Oh,
right,
nice,
start
dudes. We
rowing.
get some
Get
good
going.
stuff, man. Now don't be switching sides. Get over there. Oh, that's me.
Hey, Vincent.
No, just
think I saw
just me
something in the
for a
water.
second.
Okay,
It's probably
I
a
got it.
shark, Leo.
Okay, now
What do you
both
mean?
of
There
us.
are no
No,
sharks
don't
in
switch
this water.
sides.
How do you
We
know?
got-
No,
It's
okay.
sweet water.
Okay, through here.
Sorry, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it
Just
from now on.
you. Okay, stop.
I really
Just
saw
me now.
something, though.
Just me now. Okay, now
Probably a fish.
one more time, just
Yeah,
me,
whatever.
and now both of us go.
Probably salmon.
You know what?
Go.
crocodile.
Don't stop. Just you.
Seriously?
Just you.
I don't like crocodiles.
Just you.
I'm trying to. I'm trying. No, it's going down. You need to get over here.
Okay.
Think there aren't any bears in these woods?
There
No,
are
stop!
you
No!
manage?
Stop switching sides.
Like I believe that.
Oh, jeez. Why am I always the most pathetic one? Oh, no.
Rough streams.
Oh, jeez. Look at it. Look at it, bro. Oh, no. This is like the river rapids with Helen Hunt.
What is this? What is this?
I feel like Helen Hunt being friggin' kidnapped by freaking Kevin Bacon.
Oh my god. Oh my god, why are we backwards?
I don't know.
Hold on.
I don't know what's coming
Oh my
next, dude.
God.
What's gonna be bad?
Oh my god.
It's gonna be real bad. Let's hope we get through this alive. No, not your way, my way, bro. My way, bro. My way. I think we might. You think we can finish it?
Watch out for the rocks!
What do you
Watch
no
out.
rock?
Oh! Dodge!
Oh, no.
Dodge!
Dodge what? I think you're no. Yeah, your side. Let's just
Hold on.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh no, that's it. That's it.
Hold on.
Abandoned ship.
Oh god!
Why
oh
are we
god.
so backwards?
Oh god! Hold
Turn
on!
the ship.
Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh, we're
Your
good.
side. Your side. Okay, now both.
No, my side. Let go. Stop.
I'm trying.
Don't
I'm
do
trying.
it.
I'm trying.
Oh god.
Go to the right. You're right.
No, right way.
Wouldn't it be fast if I just jumped in and swam?
Yeah, sure.
Oh boy.
You
Oh
try that.
jeez.
I'll just
Keep
stay
going.
in the
Keep
boat.
going. Keep going.
I think we're through
pull.
the
Alright,
horse.
now we're gonna
Okay,
cut. Now we're gonna cut.
Oh, this is it. This is the end. This is the end.
I think you spoke too soon.
Oh. Okay, it's
hold
getting
on.
fast now. Great. Guess we got a save point maybe. Oh jeez. Oh wow, this is pretty nice. I like this. This is fun.
Oh my gosh.
Oh jeez. Oh gee. No. Left. We gotta turn big time. No. No. Oh, that one paddle you just did screwed us.
Yes,
Damn
it
it.
did. Oh my god. Okay, if we perfect it for the rest of the time, we will win.
Waterfall.
We won't. Waterfall.
Oh, we were so close.
Dive! Okay, we got a
Okay.
save point, definitely.
Okay.
Oh, nice start, assholes.
Jesus.
We're not done yet.
Okay,
Really? Let's go to the left of it. Let's go to the left of it.
I said left.
Oh god.
Watch out for that rock.
Oh god. Oh, that one. Oh, twice. No.
Watch out.
To the left.
Right. We gotta cut around the corner.
Okay. Oh, we're good. Oh
We're not.
boy.
No, we're
That's
not.
not gonna be good. We need to jump. We need to get out. Now would be a good time. I'm coming. Oh shit. I didn't jump. Oh, we get some Uncharted shit going on. I'm coming, dude. Nathan! Come on. Oh, we got that right trigger. I'll see you again someday.
Oh my
The
god.
end for me.
Oh my god. I'm
This
not
is the
letting
end
you
for
go,
me.
buddy.
I've read about this, man. This is where it becomes single player. Only one of us can.
Come on, grab it.
I'm trying, man. I can't really give him much direction. That slow motion freaking friendship.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Such a strong bond we
Let's
have.
get out of here.
All right.
Oh my god. Oh boy, here we go.
Huh. Oh, hold on a second here. What do we got?
Yeah, this is like one of those, this is how far we have to go parts.
So,
Yep.
what happens now?
You split up.
Look. I know what you're thinking. But going after Harvey won't be easy.
I know, but I'm going after him, with or without you.
You want to end up dead?
I want him gone. He's a cold-blooded killer. The world's gonna be a better place without him.
Don't look at the camera, dude.
You never told me, Leo. What is your story with Harvey?
Before I got busted, me and Harvey made a huge score.
Bank job?
No. You ever heard of a Black Orlov?
Are you serious? The diamond?
Oh shit.
How the hell did you pull that off?
A lot of planning and a bit of luck.
So what happened?
Everything was going our way. We even had a buyer. But that greedy fuck had other plans.
It's all there. Count it.
Looks about right.
Of course it is. You can always trust me.
I'm not trusting nobody, my friend. Here you go. What do you think?
It's heavier than I thought.
It is.
Just touching it, dude. Come on. Wear some gloves, man.
Do you know how
Pleasure
rare
doing
this
business
is?
with you guys.
You too.
Ooh, God. I
Give me
thought
the
there was gonna be.
case. What the fuck are you doing? Give me the fucking case, Leo.
Whoa.
Hand it over now. This is nothing personal. It's just business. Give me the briefcase.
Yo.
You guys still playing that?
Yeah.
The fuck, yo, why'd you leave me?
You just said later.
No, not me. Not me, I'm still on. I wanted to play Siege.
Oh.
We can stop this
Next
if
thing
you
I
guys
know,
want us to join you.
I'm surrounded by cops.
We're kind
That's
of at a
rough.
point where we
I'm
can
sorry.
probably.
Oh, trust me. He's
Yeah,
the
I'm
one
down to
who's
play
gonna be
whatever,
sorry.
so...
I'm making things right. For me. And for my family.
For myself,
So you know where Harvey is right now?
friends,
I know
for
one
my
of his guys.
family.
He'll know for sure.
So,
I did this to myself!
what are we waiting for?
Haven't you
Let's
ever
go
wanted to
after him.
climb on top of a mountain and scream that? Summer Wind, burning in my hair!
You really want to take Harvey down?
Summer Wind? I don't know what the
Like I
fuck.
said,
Summer
with or
Wind.
without you,
So good, dude.
I'm going after him.
I'm going after him.
Dude, I just
You
want
guys remember when David Arquette was popular?
Yeah, that was weird.
Find this Ray guy.
Don't worry, he's gonna be
It
easy
was
to
a
find.
weird time.
But I need to make sure my family's safe first.
Did George get off?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing
Let's go.
something.
You know
Dude,
what?
that
This would
nose is-
be...
It's ridiculous.
Oh,
How did this person get fucking space race victory in 90 AD?
right? Isn't that crazy?
Dude, this must be where they introduce Ellen Page's character, right?
Is she pregnant?
Don't go too far, Alex.
No, never mind.
Oh, that's not. That's my girl. It's my woman.
Oh, that's your girl?
Yeah.
Oh, she's pretty. Wow, okay.
Mom!
That's my guy right there. So,
What is it, honey?
mm.
What's wrong?
Is that your boy?
It is. It's my son.
Wow, dude, he's got a small nose. Congratulations.
Yeah, got his mom's nose, thank God.
Picture of
Alex.
Gonzo and me.
Alex!
Oh, nice. Good timing.
Leo, can I ask you something personal?
No, but you're about
Yeah,
to.
sure. How do you and
Gil.
your wife manage to stay together in this line of work?
I dick her
it's
down
super
real
personal,
good.
dude.
You see this
We've always
nose?
been together.
It's more than just smelling.
You know, she knows me better than I know
Yeah, that
myself.
definitely works. I was just wondering about that actually. You would have to
I was
go from like 69
12.
though.
Oh
when I
yeah,
met
for
at the
sure.
orphanage.
You would have to hook her.
I like to blow bubbles
You
in
could
it.
say that my parents didn't do their job.
Can you imagine some
Sorry to hear that.
penguin ass dude hooking a girl?
Fucking.
We're
gonna give you a hooking.
I was fortunate enough to have Linda.
Gross.
She was crazy.
Like in one of those
You know, we used
friggin'
to run
like
away
long
together.
john outfits, like
Steal
those.
ice cream, cigarettes.
Those
Shit.
girls all wet and shit.
It's always been
Nasty.
us against the world.
Pale.
Still is.
He was nasty
No
as
matter
shit
what.
in that movie.
Yeah, he was.
Eating
That's
fish,
just how it is.
Yep.
raw fish, I couldn't take it.
So good.
Sounds
One of my
great.
favorite
Yeah, it really
movies.
was. Yeah, me too. So Christmassy, actually.
It is kind of Christmassy. Pete Sunrise Trailer Parks. Low rates, no pets. What the fuck was that?
No pets? Are you kidding me?
Almost as annoying as fucking.
Why are you
Wayne
people keeping
stapling
pets
today.
out of this place?
That was so
Al-
fucking
Almost as
annoying.
annoying as
Keep an eye out
what?
for my family.
You stapling
It's a woman
today,
and a
like
boy
staple
about
ding.
this size.
Oh yeah.
You don't know where they live?
They had to move while I was inside.
You're looking
I
for a
see.
woman about that size,
Let's
that
just
would
have
be
a
a
look around.
child,
I'm sure we'll find them.
not a woman.
All
So
right.
let's yeah,
Lights
let's
looks
quit.
rough out of here.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.